how much should you actually spend on hip-hop dance shoes? Some people rave about the cheap options while others swear by pricier ones. It's a bit confusing, right? But I'm here to help you figure out which ones are truly worth your investment. Product number 1, Stell Jazz Shoes. These Stell Jazz shoes caught my eye immediately with their sleek design and price at just $9.99. With over 1,100 reviews and a solid 4.7-star rating, they're clearly a popular choice. If you want a stylish yet comfortable shoe for your little dancer, this is worth a serious look. The breathable PU upper is not just about looks. It's designed to keep feet cool and comfy during those long dance sessions. The stretchy arch hugs your child's foot, allowing for flexible movements without discomfort. Plus, the split sole makes it easy for little ones to put on or take off, giving them the independence they crave. With 400-plus sales this past month, it's clear parents are loving these. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Kids can dance longer without feeling sore, which is important for their performance. Now, some users mention that the sizing can be tricky, suggesting to order one size up. Here's the thing though, if your child is in between sizes or has wider feet, this extra bit of flexibility is a huge plus. They might feel snug at first, but they're designed to stretch. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable shoe for your child's jazz classes or performances. Skip this one if your child needs a more supportive shoe for competitive dancing. For $9.99, it's a steal, especially with the quality you're getting. Now, if the sizing issue bothers you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Linodes Leather Jazz Shoes. Next up, we have the Linodes Leather Jazz Shoes, priced at $29.99. With a whopping 12,600 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it's no surprise these are a go-to for many dancers. If you want a shoe that balances quality and comfort, this is definitely worth considering. The high-quality leather upper not only looks great, but also provides excellent support. The split sole design with an EVA patch means you'll have the flexibility required for those intricate footwork moves while still maintaining durability. The flat heel is perfect for keeping your balance while dancing. With all these features, you're getting a shoe that holds up well during rigorous practice sessions, making it a reliable choice for both beginners and experienced dancers. However, a few reviews mention that the fit can be a bit narrow for wider feet. Here's the thing, if you have a standard foot size, you'll be just fine. But if you know your feet are wider, you might want to try them on first to ensure comfort. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a durable shoe that doesn't sacrifice style for performance. Skip this one if you need something with a wider fit. At $29.99, you're getting a solid pair that will last you through many dance classes. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want something lightweight and breathable. Product number 3, BAXINIER Cheerleading Shoes. The BAXINIER Cheerleading Shoes are up next, and they're priced at $27.99. With a 4.7-star rating from 3,000 reviews, it's clear these shoes are making waves. If you're looking for something that combines cheerleading with dance, this is worth checking out. These shoes are designed with a breathable knit upper, which is a game changer for keeping your feet cool during high-energy routines. The anti-slip rubber outsole provides fantastic grip and shock absorption, essential for those quick moves. Plus, the padded Achilles support gives you that extra security while you're dancing or tumbling. All of these features are aimed to make your performance smoother and safer, which is exactly what you need when you're on stage. Some users did express concerns about sizing, noting that they run a bit small. But here's my perspective. If you order up a size, you'll likely end up with a perfect fit. Just be prepared for a little trial and error. This is perfect for you if you're a cheerleader or dancer looking for multifunctional shoes that support rigorous activities. Skip these if you prefer a more traditional dance shoe. For $27.99, they really deliver on comfort and performance. Now, if you're looking for something more traditional, this next one could be your go-to. Product number 4, Stell Ballet Shoes. Next, we have the Stell Ballet Shoes priced at $10.99. With an incredible 4.8-star rating from 38,400 reviews, it's hard to overlook these. If you're searching for something soft and comfy for younger dancers, these are worth a serious look. The breathable PU upper ensures your child's feet stay cool, while the suede leather sole provides excellent grip and support. This blend is crucial for little ones as they learn to dance, allowing them freedom of movement without slipping. The lack of a drawstring makes them easy for kids to put on and take off, which is a lifesaver for busy parents. Plus, the cotton lining adds that extra touch of comfort, making these shoes ideal for practice or performances. Some parents mention the lack of a drawstring can be a concern for fit. Here's the thing though, if your child is just starting, this feature actually makes life easier for both of you. This is perfect for you if you're looking for beginner shoes that are easy to wear and comfortable. Skip this if your child is a more advanced dancer needing a tighter fit. At $10.99, it's an excellent value for the quality. Alright, that was a fantastic option. But if you want something that stands out a bit more, check out this next pair. Product number 5, LANDHIKER Cheer Shoes. Finally, let's look at the LANDHIKER Cheer Shoes priced at $22.97. With a 4.6-star rating from 2,500 reviews, they strike a nice balance between style and performance. If you're after trendy shoes that are also functional, this could be the one for you. The soft material makes them lightweight while still providing the support you need for cheerleading and dance. Plus, they have a stylish design that can easily transition from practice to casual wear, making them versatile. However, some users found that the cushioning could be improved for longer wear. Here's my take. If you're using these for shorter practices or performances, you'll be just fine. But for long hours, you might want to consider additional insoles. This is perfect for you if you want shoes that look good and perform well for dance and cheer. Skip these if you need maximum cushioning for long hours of practice. At $22.97, you're getting both style and functionality at a reasonable price. So there you have it. From the budget-friendly Stell Jazz shoes to the stylish LANDHIKER Cheer shoes, each option has its own strengths. Whether you're looking for comfort, performance, or style, there's something here for every dancer. Make sure to choose what fits your needs best.